Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinangkat kamban ng Krasyan u MLA ke UDP na Morthadrasyan Constituency, Kilamina bali Ïasoh, bat ke National People Party. Halor kanang rem bayaki amsyam na Ithuh da kaseng. Ndela Ithuh tangkom ki Briew jong u MLA. Ya kinangkat kam ke UDP Morthadrasyan Circle, kibladong siya ke NPP, na pedangnya ki daw nangilam ke NPP. Ubediru Menteri Sarkar, James P. Sangma, ha upestrikam ke NPP hasilong, ha ka alpotrik no pra arjal alpaway. Habakran cikilat pasai kubor, hadin beladat pedang borom yaki ke NPP, u Vice President Badim ke UDP, Morthadrasyan, ba wali solang, ulayaro ekonokom trikam ke Sarkar MDA, hapok ke jingilam ke NPP, bat u Menteri Ramba, Konrad K. Sangma, ha keba, laladu ban penyo ke distrik Batamai, dah kebakentiu kerdan ke Mairang Civil Subdivision. Ulaang, bawatlah kidan kimat, kiba ompatlah ban penbet, bat penorlong sispa nak sispa. Hendai ke Sarkar kelapan iya ke jing angnut, baka kuat ban pendam kembala angnut dah kipat ba. Ubak solang, ulaang bakum ke jing sungu, ya ke Sarkar, badi unoi lam ke NPP. Amdesyu tang ban syuai sentiu. Hendai dah kabadung sendan, syaka seng, menteri nak kemta bat pinklan ya ke NPP, Hamal Morthadrasyan Constituency.
I would just like to say that it is indeed a very, very proud moment, and please do apologize us, because we would have loved to have a much bigger platform, a more elaborate meeting, but because of protocols and because of many difficulties being the Christmas season, many other challenges, we're not being able to welcome you in a befitting manner. So please do not feel that you are we are not doing enough. It's just because of the circumstances that we are not being able to welcome all of you in a grand manner. But let me tell you that in our hearts we are so happy to have each and every one of you, and we are very, very confident and very hopeful that in the future, in the coming few days, all of you leaders who have worked so much for your own people, you will be able to bring in so much for our family, our party. As you all know, that today the NPP, we have a vision for our state, we have a vision for the entire northeastern region, we have a vision for our tribal brothers and our tribal sisters, and also the religious minorities in this country. And for that, all of us have to work unitedly. It is our constant endeavor that we want to bring in good leaders who are really very, very sincere and dedicated towards working for the people, towards bringing about change. It's our endeavor to bring such leaders to come and work with us, because alone we cannot achieve anything. It is always through teamwork and through the contributions of leaders like you that all of us, when we work together, will we be able to achieve what we have set out, the goals that we have set out ourselves for. And I am very confident that together for not just the new district that has been created and for Morthadrasyan, but for entire state of Meghalaya, that all of you will be able to contribute for the growth of our party and for the growth of our state. I would like to again also say that Kong Irene is not here with us, but Kong Irene is somebody he has been very close with us. We know her from a very, very long time, and I understand, being very elderly, the situation is such that it's best that she takes care of herself, and she is missed here today. But we know Kong Irene, in her letter she has mentioned that she also wishes to come and work for the party, for which I take this opportunity to say that I'm very happy, because we know Auntie Irene for a very long time, although I have not met her for a long time, but she has always been in our heart, in our minds. And it is really something that I'm so happy that she has decided to come and work with us and be part of our family and be part of our team. All the leaders who are here, you have worked in different political parties. Some are from the UDP, some are from the HSPTP, and some are also from the BJP and from the Congress. And this is really so encouraging for all of us that this is not just one political party, that leaders from one political party are coming and joining us, but from all different parties. It is something I think is a very positive sign. It is something that I feel that today, Meghalaya is moving in the right direction, because we may all have different parties on ideologies, but it is important that for Meghalaya to really move forward, we are very backward. Let me be very blunt here. So to move forward, I think that it is important that we all work under one political ideology, under one political platform.
Tingilaslan ngiladon yang jingkrang, bangin penyaso no yana di segi nasional parti. Kau ngimi hakpor bajuan, bangin mi lau sitting MLA, plus lang tahu lang deh kum minister, ngi sim kum kisnran, ngi sim ya karai kemakut. Kata kalau bangin mi no lang parti dan kalau nama ngiyoi, ya kalau wei kemak kenal kemak apa, lengba kaki rukum kerekam jong ke parti. Tena kali yang jong akan utakata, tena kali yang jongi, habang join sa parti, kajingut ka syakmat kabang idon kalong bangidey ban job di election.
Alor ki babun ki nongrem ki bedey bat ka imlang kasalang kamtam na kabanta ka riba kerja kun riba jongi. Te kene kamdei su kasin ka baningkong ka bangina ikundu iknoilam. Nama ngiru ngidon la ka jong kabanta ka imlang kasalang hal ki jong jata ki jongi. Nakata kadaw haswa bangin perkat syanu bangin yalam ki paiba no snong ngia ban pej haganu ke parti ke bangide ban lej bangin yalam yo paiba namar ba kamdei bangin sulej ban join ke parti tang na banta si tem artem election ngim julong gumta lakum nugno we bang ladon ke parti ngijudon lakum nugno palat ya ka sposnam katan snam ndai ko ban wara e kani ke jeng perkat ke batmai ki paiba no snong ke jongi kolong ba Hakipor ki beladap bangirong i join ki parti kolong bangirong i base kumki group candidate. Nakapor kolong ba ngangit ba PGUI ba hakni ka jela ba jongi bagi Briew ki ju mention ya ki nong vote kum utai Briew jong masar A master B kumta. Tenrei kani kri kapor ka bangi ngipet ba Briew la banjano Briew la ban chong thai la ban dem election no. Henry ngi kwa ba lakum no kumno ngin wanra da ka wei ka rukom perkhan haba kani ka ri ka jongi ka dei ka democratic country kam dei ki pajba ngin lech so individual Henry ka dei ka ba individual wa ban lech sha ka sur ju ki pajba tenang ta ka daw ngi rung kani ka party NPP menta pomdon na pleng jongi hang ni ba don ju mu ni election Henry ka long ba ngi kwa ban lech be na ka banta ka party organization bangin penklanya ke parti ngin sekriru iki paiba langba ka parti nomor ngiu iru menta kumbang idon menta ka state ko jongi i sarkonat sangma i balong kum chief minister jong ka state ko jongi u balong ru national president jong NPP haga kaju ko por na kaliang ko jongi ngiu i hakini ki por ki ba ngila ya ini ki benai beladap la si benai tam menta kaba kadang kau isu kebaktik yang kejumut je perkat kejongi kum kinong song snong apa kamerang civil subdivision nadu bangga ngadang kenaret ngalaju kenau yo sngo ya ke isu ya kaba kinoilam kejongi ki belong ki mele ki nong sensar snong kirang ba snong kila ju ya kren sepang kejing angnut jong ki paiba ban upgrade ya kamerang civil subdivision syaka mairang district te ngiliu i na kapor ya ka baki political party hapo ka state ka jongi kilelam ya ka jela ilalong hukum ki chief minister na ka party congress na ka party UDP ro ladon but jong ka Meghalaya ka jongi ngilayo ya ka ni ka district layo ban upgrade ya ka ni ka mairang civil subdivision sa ka district ka Bopura tingis ngo ba kum ka advance Christmas ka gift sa ka NPP party sa unoilam jo ka party Siya parti bro kawai ngis ngo kambyang su ingi tang bangin ai da buke la ne da ki give kadai ka ba ka kamram ko jongi menta kum kinong song snong ki bangil ade ban ai ya ka jing kersan ya ka kum kini ka parti ya ka bakala ai ya ka ni ka jing anut jong ki pai ba jong ka dong ka than ko jongi bang yu iru ha po ka jing lam jong ni ka parti ya ka ba ki babun ki isu po ka jala Meghalaya ka jongi mentang i bawat la da kampat long 100% ro la persang na kabenta ki babun ki isu kumang UI mentah ki border issue UI kajing yakin wen apa temotor ha por ka bamen swa bat ya kiwi ki kamru ki babun ki bang UI ki bang imla ban jerang ni kam de karan san ngin kren ni kata rai kum kajing mai phang ngai baladangam introduce lupa ya kata pin sa Elizabeth te lane yo le sela da pidon kanu ka benta ka ba pi kwa ban keliru bisa keli ya kata yan rai ka wei ka benta ru ka bang kwa ban pensayang ni kini ki basyong kamon ka diang jonga kidi parlok ki bangidon na parti UDP nadu snem arjar sipo khadwei terter ka ba nadu kasingi ka sedang ka ba iba HB nong sit emri bodon burom jongi balong i minister menta ya ka ba ila decide banyele election kemun nadu ko to porhi ba ka parti UDP kala don lupa ar kanhun ka wei ka kanhun jomba HB nong sit ya ka ba mangingi don bat ka wei kanhun jomba jisidingan nang tar da ngi suthu ba ka jing rung ka jongi ha ka parti UDP kelas luang tangka sembol for election. Hendak Briew Ithuh berkitip yang ibaik bangi ngide Briew jong babrol. Doktor dan balong noelam untuk kepor. Ithuh ingi kum Briew UDP nomor bala Ithuh ingi tangkum Briew jong kandidat. Kata kadang ngi suthu bakadon kajing ka bakraw. Habangi train ka bentah ka bahak kamiat apo ka imlang kesalang ladangi ki babun ngin sudan tangak thap nyang jong wei Briew. Dia kata ka wei ka benta ka bangi kwa ban wan ka ni ka por ka benta ngimdon ka jing persya mai mentai dang long MLA idang long i minister lada jin ladangi perkhat nang ta ka jing bit ka jing biang to jongi ngila manong bangi dang benur ban mi ndangi klam perkhat ya kata namar ban sandur kum kinong elam na ka benta ban wanra ya ka jing kelar batmai ka don kami ka por ka bajelan om tang si benai ar benai ndai na kata ka daw isim ka ni senjam ba menta bangin mino nak busuk nak parti klem kajing ya don daw pati ngi klem don kanu kajing kan tho sniu yi ngim don kanu ka daw kum minister hani ka sarkar ka pamenta bayin pendap hok ila kajong kamram kumba nakaliong ji pai ba jo kamatrasan konsumsi kla ibet ban benset yi la arte menta bayin long kum IMLA te kata ka de kajing pen nakaliong ka kata ka kentin united kalong tang ka kerteng nomor nadu basdang bangirung ha UDP ngilap ya ka jinglong ya pat ya pra ba marerung ka parti kila don par kanhun bat hadin ka baba jisi dengan umyo etiket kemul lapet kemul ladon ka jing ya pat nang taru abangil adon ha ka parti ni sudan ba ya po motrasan ni klemrung ha ka parti kum bangile menta handang ngirung ba ya plau yung jong babrol ki Briew kitip ba yangi ha bangiya chrom seneng ki ong bagita gi degi Briew jong babrol teladang imi no mentaru ngangit ba isar melba ibalong i state president jo ka parti inom dondu kanu kajing sngo nomor ba in sngo baik bakitu gi degi Briew jong babrol lada kadon kajing yo nong ne kajing du nong ru kade baik tang jong i ba HB nong se kan nomor ba haka parti UDP hi ngilap kamdon kata ka parti base apa motrasan dak ba buram ngala nong ba hadin jong i ba HB nong se lada mile election chu te ka parti UDP ro motrasan ka hap organized mai nomor ba nadu besnang ka klemdon ka party based organization kami ya kata kajing kata nginum mi ru bangin kwa ban pen kata nam ngimi alor ka nongrem ba ngingi perkat ban yelam da kawai kur kom perkat ing pai ba ban ngimdon ru kata ka target banong ba kajing mi kajongi kan pen rem election ni babrol kan pen kata yi nomor ba kajing job election kajong i habol lalong MLA artem ladaw le ba next election don kamshu ban kan bas election lada umle ya kebaharu menulak menu ban pensaida for election mai suruh bandong tang kata nakaliang jongi ngimdon komen si ru em naga benta ka jing tan ber ka jing bom kansu ka UDP ka bade bakata
kan dia dah huri jong
dan bangala banong ruang ni ba kum ka jing ai kublai ki parlok ki jongi ki ba yo i ka social media menta ka ba kum bangila suthu ba naga jinglong ka jingman ka bangilong kum ni kam dei ru yangi banong bangin wan bat pan paulut kumne kumbalong tenrei kidang don kiweru ki parlok ki jongi ki badon kiwe ki partiru mdaong tang ha UDP tenrei kalong bangi suthu kampat dei kapor bagi pai ba kin mi amtam no sitting MLA ya ka baki la penjob ka tem ka jongi kan kut sawara jar apulai te kam ka ngimi mentang ka bangilong tang kum ki rigid ki resort bangin frame ya ka frame ka batamai te ki babun nang tang ki mat don suhang tu apo ka UDP
dan yang bertanya Kiba TV
kan ngidon baik kajingnya bat kajing sania 100% na ka benta ki no ilam juga parti juga state ngiwan hang ni ru om ha ke alam jungnu ngilong langkum ju boro ngimdan ke perkat banong bana ke ni ke grup ke jongi kan sei kandidat nring idon be ke jengai ba ka parti NPP hi kan selesai kan yunu kandidat tengi ngidon party organization menu ba yele o ya ba yele ta election udi tahu kandidat wang ya ban sistem motashan konsulsi ngadi vice president nata ha ka district west Khasils pom patn yo district Hima menswa tengah di treasurer jangka UDP west Khasils district habadon ha ka politics umdisu ban lej tang ha ka nongrem ban kersan yo wei Briew kalong bangi de bandrung ha ka party organization namar ba ka party organization abang irung menta ngiyo kani ka constitution ladang ilai nya phalau yeng jong Briew tengi hap ka bom mu batai but what hadu ka por election ru ka manifesto ka bom mu kwa ban keren bun na kaleng jong ikinong kersan ngim tem but na kata ka daw ba kam dei ka written ngala banong ka bu datho te por election la ban kren jeli jo hadin nang ta la ban klet no itu kularu kolong ba ka bakta pad de yangi kinong yalam po kisnong ki badan hasanda berpai ba manu office banner kat ba UMLE lalong willing bantung yo nu haganu ko pus kata be gade be ka dingkwa ka jongo ngiru idon ha committee tambalong ba ya ka ka ba mau la propose ngi haban ko ngobe kumbalong ikiwi ki jingelang te chairman ula ban pania ja ka jingelang ka committee kan sim ka sur babon balang re ha po ka parti UDP motar san pat haban suko ngo ka jingkwa jong oi Briew